Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should act now. Fix the thumbnail and headline to clarify value in one glance, because impressions decide clicks. Once done, tighten your first 15 seconds to answer "What's in it for me?" and keep viewers watching. Make sure to update description and tags with primary keywords and confirm the video is in the right category. Also prepare 2-3 more uploads so the algorithm sees consistency. That increases recommendations and starts breaking the 0 views pattern. Now you focus on signals that matter: retention and session time. Edit tightly, cut pauses, and lead with value, because higher watch percentage triggers more recommendations. Once edited, add chapters and captions to help viewers and boost watch time. Make sure to promote the video on 3 relevant platforms or niche communities. Targeted external traffic tells YouTube the content is interesting. Finally, add playlists, cards, and end screens to funnel people into. You finish by measuring and adjusting. Check analytics at 48 to 72 hours for CTR and where viewers drop off, because those metrics tell you what to change next. If CTR is low, /B test thumbnails and tweak titles. If retention dips, re-edit and replace the thumbnail. Make small changes and re-upload or reshare. If things still fail, troubleshoot visibility. Confirm not set to private or age-restricted, and ensure no copyright or policy flags are limiting reach. Fix those to resume growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.